As usual, under the slogan, "Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, welcome to Treasures," I will call this episode Uncovering the Treasure in the Trend. I will guide you step by step on how to create this popular trending video. You may have noticed that these videos have become increasingly popular recently. Today, I am here to help you create them for free. Focus on this important video. And if you're new to our channel, please take a moment to follow us now. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications to be alerted for new episodes. I'm Ibrahim
Mahdi, and this is your channel, Juratech.
Let's start the tutorial. Of course, guys, this video is one of the powerful and very important videos because this is the trending video that has been popular lately. I won't take much of your valuable time. The very first thing we will do is open the initial website required to create the image. I want to create the very first image. I would like to see the person involved in this situation clearly. Then I will begin to move it here. The first thing we have is the ID image, which refers to the primary identification photograph of the individual you are referencing. Want to create an image for in any other position. We will click on drop image here to get the original image. Is that clear? The original image is of Messi. To effectively create an image or present us with realistic options, you must provide additional reference images to guide the process. We will select additional ID image for the character and then click on drop to provide an extra image from different facial angles. Here we have the first image, and shortly we will also provide a third picture for your viewing. To ensure we achieve the best possible result, we will obtain a third picture of the character for additional reference. In the images that will be presented later, we have already carefully selected 3 pictures that showcase clear and distinct details. For the character, it's preferable to include a close-up view of the face. Now, in the prompt box, we will provide further details. Tell it what we want. So, you must write in English here. If you don't know how to speak or write in English, you can easily use Google Translate to carefully write what you want, then copy it and paste it conveniently in the prompt box. Here I wrote, Argentina national team uniform, sitting on the ground in a garden, playing guitar. So, I told it that he is wearing the Argentina football team uniform and he is sitting on the ground in a garden. He is playing the guitar. This is the request we want. Regarding the sizes, you choose the image sizes you want. I want the image to be a bit wide, so I will choose the sizes at the bottom, which are 512 by 768. Here are the specific sizes I require. We will relocate here for the seed, and then we will begin increasing it to the maximum size. The face texture scale will be adjusted to a value of 9 in order to effectively capture the maximum amount of intricate details. At the same time, we won't increase it too much to avoid ruining the final image. The style scale will also be set to 9. We will adjust these 3 settings to 9 and increase the seed to its maximum value. Now let's click on run and patiently wait. Here at the bottom, you will see it starting to generate the images. We will wait a very short time, about 10 to 20 seconds. The images, as you can see, have created 4 images for us down here. I will choose this one because it is the most realistic image. It accurately depicts Messi, of course, wearing the Argentina jersey, sitting on the ground, playing the guitar. Everything we said is correct. So we will click on the arrow at the top to download the image to our device, and we will click save. Thus, the image has been saved to our computer. This is the first stage, which is creating the image. Now we will move to the second stage, which is animating this image. To begin the exciting process of transforming the image into a video, we will click on the create button located on this site. In this designated box, we will click on and select the specific image we just created featuring Messi in all his glory. The image is being uploaded here. As you can see, after a few seconds, it will be available here. The image has been uploaded successfully. The prompt requests that you describe both the content and the specific movement you envision. Therefore, I will begin outlining the movement I desire. The movement is him playing the guitar while the camera zooms in with a slight circular motion around him. That's the description I want for the movement. To create 3 videos, click Create, which costs 30 credits. The site offers 90 credits on the first subscription day. After that, it will provide you with 60 credits each day, allowing you to create up to 2 videos, which is more than adequate for your needs. Click Create and wait briefly. Hopefully, the video will be generated soon, as indicated by the message on the screen. Your video is currently being generated now. In less than 20 seconds, or exactly 15 seconds, the video was created. Let's watch it together. We will click play to see the video. The movement, as you can clearly see, is incredibly realistic, and the zoom effect combined with a slight rotation is truly impressive. Here's how you can create an interesting character, and naturally he plays the guitar beautifully. To download this video to your device, simply scroll down. After a brief moment, you'll notice the word download appear on your screen. Simply click on download, and the video will begin downloading to our device. Now the video has been downloaded to our computer, and the site also works on mobile without any issues. So I have explained to you this incredible and innovative method that is currently trending allows you to effortlessly create a detailed image of a unique character. Famous for a pose that he actually never did, yet it was made to look incredibly realistic. I hope that by the end of the video, you enjoyed it. But if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and activate the notification bell to support us. Please ensure you receive notifications for our new episode release. See you soon. Goodbye.